Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install gas struts in your SG Forester. So to get started, we'll need a 12mm wrench and a 10mm one as well. You can also use an impact as well, but hand tools can be easier in some of this install. You get your 2 lift struts, you got your 2 mounting brackets for the hood, and 2 washers. Let's get started. Hey guys, so we will want like something to hold up the hood just to support it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our tools. I also recommend a little magnetic tool tray if you've got one, or a little box to put all your stuff in. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the 10mm, which mine is already removed. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the little ball joint and get this one. Put a nice washer underneath that's included in the kit. Screw it into your fender, I guess you can call it. I normally like to do it hand tight first, and then we'll tighten it up with a 12mm. Make sure it's nice and snug, which mine is. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our strut. Obviously we removed the little clip. Put it down on the car like that. Make sure it's pushed in. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our little E clip. We're going to put it in that little hole down here. Let me get a good shot of that. So we're going to get our little E clip, put it down in there, make sure our strut is fully pushed in. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our plate. We're going to clip it in like so, and we're going to remove our 12mm screw. I'm just going to use my impact. So I'm going to get my impact now. And I'm just going to remove the 12mm like so. And then I'm going to get the bracket, match it like the other side, which I just put it in the middle one up here. Like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just zap it down. So I might need to lift the bonnet up slightly more. Like so. What we're going to do is just make sure it's all tight like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove our tools. The manger bay and our little holder for the bonnet, so it doesn't fall on our beautiful heads. And what we're going to do is we're going to test our bonnet struts, make sure they're in a good position, like they are so. So they're in perfect condition on this side. We're going to just push them down, inspect it's not touching the sides of the fenders on both sides, which they're not. So then we're going to just plop it down and see how they go. There you go. Now we're going to open up the bonnet again. Okay. And there we go. That's how you install struts on your SG Forester. So these are where you buy the struts. It's off AliExpress. Thanks to the seller who reached out and sent me a set to give it a try and review for you guys. Thanks.